I first came to see Dr. Moriarty because I had a cracked molar on my lower left side. It had actually, the tooth was actually broken and it was getting infected on occasion, and I knew I needed to have some work done, so I came to see him to see how we could correct that. I chose Dr. Moriarty's office because my wife was a patient here. She had heard about him on the radio and liked the Sedation Dentistry and had a good experience, so I decided to see Dr. Moriarty as well. Front office staff is very nice and helpful, efficient. Dr. Moriarty is very informative as well. I'm a type of person that likes to learn about what is occurring and how things are done, and when I had questions he answered them all completely, so I got my dental work taken care of and I learned along the way. The process was very smooth. When I first came in, I expected to come in for a visit and then reschedule to have the tooth removed, and actually Dr. Moriarty was able to remove the tooth on my first visit. There was very little pain associated with any of the procedures. I had the tooth removed, and then subsequent visits had the post installed and eventually having the implant put in. It's nice to have the implant in. Before there was always a gap there, and when you would eat, you would always feel it didn't feel quite right with food and things like that. My bite is more correct now. Everything lines up and functions perfectly. Very pleasant people to work with, and they know what they're doing and are very efficient and do a very good job.